Oh, this is my favorite.
Okay, this was when I was around 5 or 6 years old. I always wanted to be an actor, and my dad was doing Dharamveer at that point, and he wanted a child who would look like him, who had big legs, thick legs, and he couldn't. And they were kept getting kids who looked very weak. So he said, "No, let me ask my son." So he asked me to मेरी फिल्म में acting करेगा, मेरे बचपन का role करेगा. I said, हाँ मैं करूँगा. You know, because when you're a child, you don't have any inhibitions. You have no fear. You just think life is beautiful. And so they made this dress for me overnight because I had to shoot the next day. And okay, I was 5, 6 years old. I never wore an underwear those days. So when I went for shooting, they made me wear this dress. I'm like, why am I wearing a dress? And then I told Bhavarlal, who used to work with my dad, I said, Bhavarlal, मेरे पास चड्डी नहीं है, मैं कैसे पहन सकता हूँ ये? So then they got me a pair of shorts to wear under my dress. But it was beautiful. I did the shot and I finished the scene, and then I told my dad, I said, where's my money? Okay, where's my money? I want my money. I worked. And my dad is like, हाँ मैं देता हूँ, तू चुप कर. You know, he didn't know what to say because the producer and the director, Manmohan Ji, was there. So I sat in the car. He removed a bundle of 10,000, gave it to me, and he said, go give it to your grandmother and see to it it's distributed amongst all the staff members. So I went home. I was very proud of myself. I gave it to my grandmother. She distributed to all the staff members. And then I was so excited. I was so excited that I broke so many hangers in the house trying to show my sisters and my aunts and my staff members what I did and came. I was like on top of the world. And I still remember, I'm sorry, but I still remember when the film did Golden Jubilee, I went for the award ceremony.
Oh.
And they made a special award for me with my name on it.
Oh. It also shows the old men can rock anything, you know, even a dress.
A leather dress. मेरी रैगजीन की थी. एक दिन में बनानी थी.
I don't know whether to call it a magazine or a newspaper.
What can I say? As you can see, the iconic screen magazine. It is I'm on the cover. It's really nice to be on the cover.
Karan, this is your surprise for the evening.
I remember there were so many times that, he would just turn back and he'd look at me and I was like, Agnipath.
माँ के पैरों के नीचे स्वर्ग है, अरे बाप के पैरों के नीचे जायदाद है.
गीत एंड आदित्य का अभी ब्रेकअप हो रहा है. फ्रस्ट्रेट हो गए हैं वो दोनों एक दूसरे से, है ना? आदित्य बोल रहा है ये अपनी आपकी खुद की फेवरेट है, कौन झेल सकता है इसे?
If you could legalize one thing in India, what would it be? Prostitution, gambling, or marijuana?
I can't hear you.
We have seen you as more of a glamorous role in South Indian movies. And you went to Bombay. I don't know what transformed you. You're today totally different role.
Feel nepotism or no nepotism, I'm here. किसी के बाप की इंडस्ट्री नहीं है.
कहीं ना कहीं मेरी भी अपॉर्चुनिटीज कई बार ऐसे गई हैं जहाँ पे मुझे ऐसा लगा कि maybe I should have gotten the opportunity rather than someone who's from the family.
I love reading your reviews. When you really love something, you genuinely have, and that means a lot.
But that's the whole thing. You guys don't give up in life.
I wish you all the very best. May Screen digitally prosper.